Hello friends, I am Advocate Shantanu Ayachi and I would like to invite you to like and subscribe my channel, your channel, Online Legal Help. Today I am in front of you to discuss the procedure called the counseling, which has been newly introduced in our legal system to get rid of the increasing divorce cases in India. Our Indian divorce laws try only to unite the spouses. Only in critical conditions the divorce is being given. To reduce the divorce rate, counseling plays a very prominent role. The Family Court 1984 brought and came up with a solution and a law called the ADR, Alternative Dispute Resolution. And the concepts of mediation, counseling and conciliations were introduced. Marriage counselors were appointed. The marriage counselors assist the spouses to identify the conflicts and help them to resolve it. The procedure of counseling differs from state to state, from one state to the other. The role and responsibilities of the counselors are framed by the High Court under Section 23 of the Family Court Procedure Rules 1996. Basically and currently, 2 counselors per family are being appointed. The responsibility of the counselor is to facilitate the reconciliations of their concerns. Now, what are the points and what are the duties? I have categorized it according to some points. One of the basic qualifications of the counselor is to have the ability to understand the issues and try to resolve it as quickly as he can, and that too without any bias. Courts have recommended avoiding the lawyers for divorce, and instead they are suggesting the spouses to attend more and more counselings. A counselor should have adequate knowledge on the problem solving, reconciliation, settlements. The welfare of the clients is the most important. He should understand the emotion of the clients. Divorce counselings are mandatory for each and every spouse if they have applied for divorce. This is because mostly we can say the problem between the couples is basically the misunderstanding. They have refused to talk to each other. Now, what does the counseling do? This sort of counseling creates a platform, provides a platform to the either spouse to express their feelings completely. These counselors are not bound to disclose the conversation which has been taken place between him, neither to the either spouses nor to anyone else. The counselor even have the power. They can issue notice. They can call for the settlement. In that notice, a counselor could also recommend any psychiatrist or psychologist as well. This would help the court to guide the spouse properly in a proper way. In few circumstances, more counseling sessions are required. The court also provides adequate time to the spouses. The lawyers are being asked and been recommended to provide more and more counseling sessions to the clients. The approach of counseling, if the child is involved, is being raised. Different sessions are being provided. Why? The object is to secure the future of the child, and the priority is being given to the childs. Now, what are the basic problems which are being faced in India? The only problem is that there are only 2 counselors which has been appointed as per the family court. In the current situation, the divorces cases have been increased a lot. Now, 2 counselors cannot handle each and every cases. because in each and every counseling sessions minimum 2 to 3 sessions are being provided, which is not proper and convenient for everyone. Yet another issue has been involved, that in divorce counselings, the counseling session should be made mandatory, and apart from that also, many couples refuse to attend the counseling sessions. Secondly, the lawyers as well fail to explain the benefits of the counseling session to their clients. People are not aware of the benefits of the divorce counselings. And lastly, the number of counselors per family should be increased. That is the only sole reason how we can decrease the rate of the divorce cases increasing. These were the few points which we have discussed in this video. I would like to thank you all to provide the time which you have given us, and I would also request you to please like and subscribe our channel Online Legal Help. The contact details have been given above, and the description you can see the link through which you can communicate with us. Our legal team is there to assist you and solve your queries. Thank you.